The anti-meta meta deck. I might play it. But my judgment is high right now. Well, got the monkey idol. If we're able to plunder with this though, we're playing Taskmaster instead of Vital. Wow, 2 Taskmasters. No one ever wants to block the Toad, so it works really well in this deck. You can fulfill, I guess, learning the deck. Yeah, I understand. Because this deck is harder to play than, like, Scouts, for instance. Quests, though, you can do quests in AI if you want, but that is pretty boring. But no, this deck makes more sense for normals just because it is, like I said, it's harder to play, where, like, when people play Scouts, and this is a new deck, so I don't think it, yeah. This probably was just like, I'll still play this. But like with like Scouts that have been around since, you know, like last summer, it's kind of more, you know, questionable. But this deck, yeah, you're right. It's like, they could be learning it for sure. We just go for it. Hey, Office Chair, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. They don't want this. They got a whale, they got a ping, they got a something. We do have this Maokai ready to go. We're not playing them this round, but we probably will be in the near future. Plunder 2.
The strong don't want mercy.
And 3. Well, it's not a plunder, but I guess it's a toss. A bit different than the plunder. We must hold on to the pilfer goods, as tempting as they might be. We need a good hit. We need a creature that I can blighted. That works. I've already tossed one warning shot, so I can't really afford to toss this one, I don't think. I gotta save it for the pilfer goods. For my combo. That's pretty rude. See, they have another one. Bum 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 ba dum bum. Do 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 do. Fine. I'll just never play my Bladed Caretaker. Never, ever, ever. Perfect.
This one's on the house.
Grow tall. Grow strong. Very close to it. One, 2, 3, 4. Five. As long as they don't avalanche me. Nice. Grow tall. Grow strong. Nice. Nice. And this is still up. Hopefully they don't have multiple Anivias. They have to play Anivia here though, right? Ruination? I mean, that's fine. Hey, thanks for the raid, appreciate it. Came at a very good time. At least for us. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Perfect.
Still see far and clear.
Okay. We milled the Anivia deck. It felt good. Actually, I mean, with the entry, they have to play the entry early or miss it. They have to get 2. Alright, now we're role-playing. You ready for the role-play? Or, wait, yeah, we're Maokai role-playing. I have to be specific. We are Maokai role-playing. We really don't want to play this Jettison until after we play Zaps. Just nab the entreat, true. Yeah, most people play 2, I think. I will go for the nab. You never seen an entreat nab quite like this one. Dang it. You know, that's a good nab though. I can bring back a Maokai. Or a Twisted Fate.
You can see the Demacian border from here.
Boom. We have a pill for goods. Alert, alert! We have a pill for goods. Life is good. Life is good. We have a pill for goods. You know what? That's a lot of Maokai procs. Do you think they'll vengeance my Maokai? Not like this. I don't want to develop this one in case we, oh wait, never mind, we do have this. Yeah, we can't do that. Yes. They never expect it.
Ready the torches.
I want to wait on this one still, though.
Light the signal fires.
I want to play Zap really bad and get 2 pilfer goods. Play your entreats, friend. No. Entreat. Play your entreat. Or don't. Actually, I hope they're in the bottom of the deck. I mean, you can ruinate all you want. I got no issues with your ruinations. -1 pilfer goods. I'm in shambles. Chat, you all see this, right? Chat, they're milled. They're milled. I should have played this first, actually. Boom! So this doesn't play around entry. Wait, yeah, it does. What am I saying? It didn't matter. Ha! It is burst level up. Good with me. We got one more Maokai left in the deck too.
Go with the flow.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Let's do this.
Mine. Nice. Mine. The anti-meta deck.